With the knowledge of the two-way decision-making statement, we can write a program to tell if a given number is an even number or an odd number. We know an integer is either an even number or an odd number. It's a very typical two-way decision. So let's create a new project. We call it test number. First of all, let's import the Java utility scanner class, as we are going to use the scanner to collect the user's input. In the main method, we declare an integer x. Then we print a hint asking the user to provide us a number. Then we declare a scanner to take the user's input. We call the scanner's nextInt method to get the input and assign it to the variable x. We know an even number can be divided by 2, but an odd number cannot. So we write an if statement to test if the number can be divided by 2 or not. In Java, the percentage sign is the remainder operator. The remainder of x divided by 2 can be either 0 or 1. So if the result is equal to 0, we print you enter an even number. And once again, in Java, the single equal sign is the assignment operator. The double equal sign is a relational operator. It evaluates if the operand at left is equal to the operand at right or not. Then we write the else statement and print you enter an odd number. Let's run our program and see the result. Enter an integer. We provide 20. Our program tells it's an even number. Run it again. We provide 21. It tells us it's an odd number.